Are you looking for the best smart ovens in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best smart ovens that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 XL Pro Air Fry Oven. The Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 XL Pro Air Fry Oven stands out from other smart oven air fryers for several reasons. First off, it's gigantic. This self-described XL model weighs over 30 pounds and takes up a lot of counter space. On the other hand, it can cook an impressive amount of food. Its 2-level cooking allows you to cook 2 pizzas simultaneously. You could also roast a 5-pound chicken in a sheet pan, or a 12-pound turkey. It's an ideal choice for those larger food preparation needs for bigger families or groups. Air fryers can handle that crazy amount of food thanks to convection heating, which relies on a high-velocity fan to circulate extremely hot air around the oven. This design eliminates the need to rotate meats during the air frying process, making it more convenient to use. Infrared elements on the top and bottom of the oven help to ensure an even cook, and the oven boasts a very quick 90-second preheat time. While many air fryers have fairly limited capabilities, the Foodi 10-in-1 XL truly feels like a multifunctional smart oven that happens to support convection air frying. It includes cooking modes that many other ovens lack. The dehydrator is perfect for making snacks like apple chips or jerky. The oven is also capable of air roasting vegetables, or you can use it to prepare a whole roast. It's an ideal choice for any cook looking for an oven that functions not only as an air fryer, but also as a more versatile smart oven. Moving on at number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Microwave Bundle. The Amazon Basics Microwave Bundle with Echo Dot takes a new approach to microwaving food. Instead of cooking preset buttons, you can simply press a button to ask Alexa to operate the microwave with commands like, reheat 8 ounces of rice. You need an external Alexa device to use those commands, which is why we recommend the bundle that comes with an Echo Dot. If you already have an Echo at home, you can buy the microwave a la carte for a slightly lower price. The microwave offers other conveniences, too. It tracks how much popcorn you cook and will automatically reorder popcorn from Amazon when you're running low. At $99.98 for the bundle with the Echo Dot or $74.99 for the microwave alone, the Amazon Basics microwave is also, frankly, just a solid budget tier microwave. The primary trade-off is the size. At 0.7 cubic foot capacity, it is smaller than the average microwave. At number 3, we have the Breville Mini Smart Oven with Element IQ. Breville's smallest smart oven. The Breville Mini Smart Oven may be a better fit for cooks with small kitchens. It's capable of larger cooking jobs and can accommodate 4 slices of toast or an 11-inch pizza, but it takes up minimal counter space. Its 8 cooking presets simplify broiling, baking, roasting, and reheating. Its key features, though, are the 4-element IQ heating elements, which heats a specific portion of the oven for a precise, even cook in any style. As a smaller smart oven, the Breville Mini costs a comparatively affordable $159.99. It doesn't lack for small comforts, though, including a non-stick interior and an LCD screen for easy configuration. It hits the sweet spot, balancing all of the features you need for safe and convenient use with an affordable price that makes the oven a practical choice as a way to dip your toe in the smart oven pool while saving countertop space. At number 2, we have the Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven. Most ovens can serve as a toaster, but the Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven puts toasting first. It can heat up to 9 pieces of bread at a time and features unique cooking functions for sandwiches and quick convection cooking. When toasting bread, the Chef's Convection Toaster has a feature called Always Even Toast Control, which allows you to tune your toaster based on what shade of golden brown you prefer. It's a level of granular control you won't find on most toasters or smart ovens. Though its toasting duties come first, The chef's convection toaster works well as a general smart oven, too. Its 15 cooking functions make it one of the most versatile ovens out there. It also comes with more accessories than your typical smart oven, including a pizza stone, 2 cooking racks, and an enamel baking and broiling pan. With its 0.95 cubic foot capacity, it's a larger oven that can cook a pizza or a whole chicken. While it does cost more than our top pick, the Breville Smart Oven Pro, this oven's toasting precision makes it an excellent choice if you're looking for an oven that truly doubles as a quality toaster. And finally at number 1. We have the Breville Smart Oven Pro. Breville makes 8 smart ovens, but the Breville Smart Oven Pro is the one to watch. At $279.95, the Smart Oven Pro offers a whopping 10 smart cooking functions, including bagel, pizza, slow cook, and broil. The oven's convection heating circulates air for an even cook, and since the oven can reach 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it's capable of making most dishes that would go in a standard oven. With its user-friendly design, this oven is an accessible choice for most cooks, as well as for those who are still building up their confidence in the kitchen. Its intuitive interface features well-marked dials and buttons, as well as a large LCD screen. Its non-stick interior makes it easy to clean. The magnetic auto-eject rack slides halfway out of the oven when you open the door, so you don't have to reach inside the oven to remove a dish. While it costs quite a bit, the Breville Oven Pro has everything we're looking for in a smart oven. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.